Welcome to the Bio-DSL tutorial. Bio-DSL is a domain-specific language for bioinformatics domain. It has a simple syntax and a minimum set of keywords. Biologists can write a workflow using the visual elements offered in the Bio-DSL interface. First, log in from the top right corner. If you're not registered yet, click the Click Here to Register link to create an account. An email will be sent to your email address for confirmation. Please check email and confirm your account. Now let's log on to the system. Now we'll be exploring all the features of this web interface. Let's look at the data sources panel first. This is the left top panel of the user interface. It lists all the data items available from different file systems such as POSIX, Galaxy, and HDFS. The public folder of each file system is available to all users for read access. Another folder, named as username, is available for read-write accesses. The generated files during the workflow execution are usually found in this folder. To insert a data item into the code editor, first remove the argument name from the service call, and then click the right button on the item and select to editor. Now let's look at the services panel. The services/tools for the workflow are listed on the right top corner of the UI. There are three different access modes for this service. They are called public, shared, and private. The public mode means it is accessible by all users. Shared means it is only accessible by users who have been given accesses. Private mode is only accessible by the logged on user himself. You could search all the desired services from the services panel to the right. The Job Histories panel lists all the workflow instances that have been run by the user. Newer jobs are shown on the top. Jobs which were modified in the last 5 minutes are shown red-colored. There are 3 steps for a pipeline. First, you select the relevant service. Then you set the dataset, and after that, you click Run. Now let's look at an example for quality checking and visualization of gene sequence data. First, you have to search Check Quality or FastQC in the Services panel and double-click it. Then delete the data parameter and leave the cursor there. Search for a certain FastQC file in the data sources and use the right-click context menu to copy to editor. And your code editor should look something like this. A new item will be added to the top of your Job Histories panel. Double-click it. The Output tab at the bottom will show the quality of the report of the sequence file. Click it to visualize it on the browser. Now you could download the result and look at the quality of your report. Thank you. Welcome to the Bio-DSL tutorial. Bio-DSL is a domain-specific language for bioinformatics domain. It has a simple syntax and a minimum set of keywords. Biologists can write a workflow using the visual elements offered in the Bio-DSL interface. First, log in from the top right corner. If you're not registered yet, click the